Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter or exit big picture mode on Steam. So let's get started. Go over to Steam and launch it. Now on the top left, click on View and go over to big picture mode. Press on it. And there you go. We are now in the big picture mode. And if you are wondering, what was that animation? You can get it from the point store. I'm going to show you how to get to the point store, but before that, let's click here on the bottom left, Steam menu, and here you can go to settings, go to display, and here the big picture mode, you can make it windowed if you want, like this. But I think that you can only do it if you're in the big picture mode. Also, you can go over to customization, and over here, you can select your startup movie and you can get more from the points shop. Now on the bottom left, click on the Steam menu, press on the power. You can exit the big picture mode. Press on it and it's going to take you back to the original Steam user interface. Now on the top left, click on Steam and go over to settings. On the left hand side, click on interface, and on the right hand side, scroll down. Going to find this option here which says start Steam in the big picture mode. If you just want the big picture mode to be default and you do not want to start like this, but you want the big picture mode to be enabled always, you can just press here to enable it. Now for the points shop, you can go over here on the top left, hover on store, and then click on this points shop, which is going to take you over here. And each time you purchase a game on Steam, you're going to get points here. This is your balance. And on the left hand side, you're going to find all of this. You can purchase with points. So you can go here in avatars and you can get these animated avatars or the borders. And you can take a look at how it would look like. What I got was the startup movies. You can go here and see all the startup movies that would play if you open up the big picture mode or the Steam Deck. This was the one I got. So you just need to open it and purchase from here. And that's it. That's how to enter or exit big picture mode on Steam. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Steam related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.